So hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make splash screen in Android Studio under 3 minutes. So let's begin this video. So first of all you have to select empty activity on new project, then you have to give your application name. As you can see I am giving it splash screen as a name. Then you have to select your minimum SDK. I am choosing API 14 level. Then you have to just choose your language and then press on finish button. As you will tap on the finish button, your project will be open and the Gradle will be started for syncing. So it can take time according to your system specifications. So it can take a bit of a time. By the time I am going to copy the logo which I am going to use as a splash screen, then you have to go to open the resource file of your application in new project. Then you have to just simply paste it. Remember guys, your application image should be for small letters and there should be no numbers starting from it. So you can reflect it by changing the name. And now let's go to XML file. Then you have to change it to linear layout. Then I have already imported my image, and as you can see the image is looking good. And now the main activity Java file we will open and we will write code. So here the main components are handler class. So you have to just import handler class and you have to write new handler dot post delete, which is post delete is used for the time delete for opening the next activity. Then you have to use new runnable. As you will write a new runnable, it will create a new method for you which is runnable. Then you have to pass intent equals to new intent. Then you have to just write the start activity intent. Then just you have to write your activity name, then that and the name of the activity which you want to go. Then finish, and you have to give the time for the splash screen. Then let's run the application in the emulator. So I have opened the application and Gradle running. Setup will automatically launch the application in the emulator, so let me wait for 1 minute. So Gradle build is finished, there is no error and our application is loading. So as you can see the splash screen is working. Please like the video guys and share this video.